All right, so Mel and I got to Big Bend National Park yesterday. We're staying at the Rio Grande campground, and right behind us there is Mexico. It's literally 200 feet away. So there's lots to do here. So what do you think, Mel?
Yeah, we're gonna go check out a few different hikes. We're really excited. I believe it's called Santa Elena Canyon. It's part of the Rio Grande here, the river, and there's some sheer cliffs. It's supposed to be really beautiful. We read there's a little bit of flooding on the lower end, but hopefully we'll see some cool sights.
Yeah, so let's go check it out.
We're at the Santa Elena Trail. We're about to start our hike. It looks like it's going to be about 1.5 miles.
So made it onto the actual trail after the initial detour. So making pretty good time now. As you can see, super scenic.
Well, we've made it to the top of Santa Elena Canyon. It is just stunning. I know we say that about every destination, but you can see behind us the Rio Grande, the sheer cliffs. There's people canoeing in the river. It's just fabulous. Super easy hike though. I mean, the beginning's a little rough because the river washed out, so we had to go up a steep hill, but the rest of it was okay. But the views are just fantastic.
Yeah, it's like 1.5 miles, maybe a little less. So it's a fairly easy hike. So if you're looking for something not too strenuous and very scenic, this is a good option.